In the book business, time is money. You need to scan as much as books in a shorter time. Plus, you must be listing as many books as you can in a shorter time.
In this video, we're going to go over 6 tips to sell $50,000 worth of used books each month. I'm joined here with Sophia and Aaron from Turkey, but out of Austin, Texas now, who are going to share these tips with you. Welcome to the channel, guys.
Hi.
Hello. Hi, everyone.
All right, let's dive into tip number 1.
Okay, number 1 is starting with the baby step and be patient. So, and you have to start with the small, and step by step you have to go to other steps. And next is the manage the cash flow, because it's important. If you send the book to Amazon, you have to wait them, the selling, and then back to money. For that reason.
It takes like almost 2 months when you send the book and to receive the profit of that. And in the book business, having so much sales is very easy. The more you send, the more you are going to get money. However, if you're not able to turn your books into cash as soon as possible and as much as possible, you get a point that you will be in debt.
And how do you, so what are some tips for managing cash flow? Are you just trying to reprice, sell things fast? Are you not sending in bad books?
The first thing that is important, you shouldn't be like sitting on the books. Instead of having like 10,000 books that will sell slower, we would prefer having like 2,000 books that will sell in a couple days. So getting the return of the cash as soon as possible is important. And having the right books is another important part in order to get the cash flow. So using good scouting app, and also
I was talking about this. Using the right tools, because for example,
is that tip number 3?
Yes. Using correct tool. It's very funny. My very first day, I opened the account in the Amazon. So I decided to the Amazon seller. So I decided to sell the books. I went to Goodwill. So I scanned every books with the Amazon app.
Amazon seller app.
Amazon seller apps, because I didn't know how I use it and which tool I needed. So after that, we find the correct tools. It's really quick and really fast. You can find correct tools.
Related to that one, in the book business, time is money. You need to scan as much as books in a shorter time. Plus, you must be listing as many books as you can in a shorter time. You're using like a lister, like a go to list or others, will benefit so much.
Yes.
So time is money, and using the right tools.
And I know this isn't a tip of yours, but how are you ensuring that you're, do you have a certain process for setting up? Like, are you touching the book one time, labeling it? Are you touching it 2 times? Like, how are you do you have employees working for you? Can you talk a little bit about getting your inventory in the warehouse and out of the warehouse, or maybe you're just working out of your garage?
Like that. First, we use a Sorter Pro app that has so many criteria: where to list, what to list, and how to list. It shows us. So whether it is suit that since we are doing bulk, we have to use every single book as efficiently as we can. That we need to turn almost anything to money. That's why we are like separating the books according to, hey, this is FBA, this is FBM, this is eBay, this is Facebook, and we utilize like, I don't know, people know about that, but whatnot. And also, hey, these are all done, so the rest is gonna go to recycle, and securing a recycle that will pay you instead of you paying the recycle is another important thing that booksellers consider. So we have that assembly line, and then once we get the books, listing is another thing that we were only for like a short term, like we were just using the Amazon, and we were in search of, hey, what should we do in order to list this in eBay and Shopify and Facebook and other marketplaces. So we were searching for that, and like a month ago, we found something that we are using that.
Yeah, this is our other tip.
Yep, another one. Yeah, finding the right tools in order to do, and time is definitely money. That's why you need to list as much as you can as possible in a shorter time.
Yeah, when I started that work, some experienced booksellers, they told me, and then time is very important. I said, why? I have a lot of time though. All day I'm at home, so all day I can do it this. But after start like a working with the bulk, so you understand what does it mean time is money right now. So when you prepare to book for the shipping, you are count to minutes. So I'm count to minutes, how minutes take a time. So one book's prepare and choosing and making ready, uh, like a scan and put the box, whatever.
Yeah,
So it's, time is very important.
like we
So
are.
when you do cherry pick, you don't understand this. But if you are gonna do bulk, time is very important.
Mm-hmm.
Calculate the processing time for each book, and our goal is like almost around like 3 minutes to get the book done from the Gaylord to the listing.
3 minutes.
Yep, but we are not there yet, but our goal is that one.
Yes.
We are working on it.
Okay. So that means by the time you take the book out of the Gaylord, you want it to be listed, put in the box, ready to be shipped to Amazon within 3 minutes.
Exactly.
Nice. What's tip number 4? Are we on 4?
Yeah, working with correct peoples, because when you do like a cherry pick or the small amount, you can do by yourself. You don't need maybe help. But when you work bulk, when you work in the warehouse, you need someone's help. It's fun. Find the correct people working with you. This is very important. uh, this is one of the important maybe. It's find the correct people. It is not the easy, because preparing the book looks like a not too difficult work maybe, but um, sometimes can be hard. So it is not hard for me because I really like it. I love my job. I like the books. So when I scan books, when I search books, uh, I love it. I'm happy when I do this, but it is not everybody same. And find the people, it's not easy.
Yeah, like with that one also goes to the networking. So,
Yeah.
for example, like our very first bulk truckload, we asked a friend, and he said like if he has who is doing huge numbers, like $1 million, couple $1 million numbers a year, and he said like
7K.
if he has spare, he would send, and he sent us, and we did not like that much because it was expensive and the yield
It's
was
very
not
far
very good, and it
place.
came from a
Shipping
very
is
far place.
expensive.
And then I put an ad on a website saying that I am looking for truckload books. After like 2 months later, somebody calls me, says, "Are you looking for truckloads?" I say yes. And he's like, "Okay, I'm a recycler and I have a really good load. Would you like to buy it?" And
Said,
it
why
was
not?
almost nowhere a phone, and I asked her, "Hey, somebody called me about this. What do you want to do?" And she said, "Okay, let's try." So we tried that load. It was unbelievable. So many 300, $400 books. So many.
Wow.
It was incredible. Like Eastern Press books,
Mm-hmm.
books. So enormous yield. We are like, okay, this is really good. So I asked him, "Do you have any more?" He says, "Yeah, I can supply you 2 times a month." And it is coming from a very close city. So we are not paying any, almost no transportation fees, just the Gaylords. And then since then, he's supplying us the books. So that is another connection working with the right people, from the warehouse to where you supply the books to also while doing the bulk business, and we hit some rocks. And we are like, okay, what should we do now at this point? And FBA Dave, for example, we reached him and we had like couple sessions with him and
Nice.
explained.
I watch your video a lot.
Yeah, we watch your videos a lot also at the
When
beginning.
I didn't know who you are, but so I find when I search internet, so I find your video, and then yeah, it's helped me a lot.
So
Which video? Because I didn't shoot one with FBA Dave, did I?
No, not the FBA day.
No, before when she began like trying to learn.
Okay.
Yeah,
videos.
I was looking the YouTube. It is some tips, some hints. So how I do it, because I didn't know anything about.
Right.
I was hearing is somebody is selling online books, but I don't have any idea how I do it. So the YouTube's helped me.
Yep. Do you guys know about our conference coming up?
Yes, in October, right? In Las Vegas.
Yes, September.
Oh,
Yes,
September.
yes. Uh-huh.
Are you guys
Yeah,
coming?
Check to the keynote speakers, the
Yeah,
others.
FBA Davis speaking.
Yeah.
FBA Dave's coming to speak.
Yes.
So if you guys want to come, get your tickets now. And everyone listening, September 13th through the 15th, it's going down in Vegas. We have a monster lineup of speakers. We got Reezy Resales coming, Caleb Roth, the book flipper. I'm sure you know about him. He taught me everything
Yeah, we
about
checked
books.
them. Mhm.
Yeah,
He's
especially
breaking.
Steve and FBA Dave. Yep.
Yeah, it's going to be a good time.
Mhm.
So
This
like
isn't our plan.
waiting for finding the right people to ask questions and to shed a light on your difficulties or who went through the steps that you have been going through really helps.
Mhm.
Yeah, this is important.
What about tip number 5?
I think we combined with the.
You did, yeah. You did the networking one.
Yeah, it
Networking,
is
yes.
networking and the correct people all together. So it's actually this is the same thing.
Like in the book business, what I have seen is there is basically no competition. There is the supply, there is the demand, and it is not like Amazon or eBay says, I'm going to sell your products only. The platforms give a chance to everybody to sell something. This is what we have seen. Like instead of like not giving the information, people in the book business are sharing their information. So that is helping each other and helping the quality grow also in these platforms.
This market is so big, so everybody helping to each other's. Yes.
Yep. So that's
problem,
why networking,
in my opinion, is Americans are lazy.
Really.
Americans are lazy. I noticed the Turkish community is doing really well. Other communities, Mexicans are doing really well. Shout out the Latin pickers in California. I have another Mexican friend in California. He's crushing it. So I think sometimes Americans are a little lazy. They see a TikTok, they see my videos, and they're like, oh, $5,000 per month. All I have to do is work a couple hours a week and I'm going to make it work. And it's not like that at all, you know.
But the one more thing, that number, this is the gross. So we didn't talk about your expense is the growing with the gross all.
gross and net. Yeah.
Yeah, the gross and net. So when the small, it is maybe your income is small, but when you grow, your expense is
Growing as also.
Yeah, also together. And the Amazon fee, oh my goodness.
Like
it's huge.
basically the sales and expenses go proportionally. But there need to be, and you need to find a way to separate that proportion. So your gross needs to increase and your expenses need to be stabilized. This is why like using merchant is one thing, trying to find other places that you can sell books is another thing. FBA is great for cash flow, maintaining a cash flow, but it is not 100% profitable, actually good for having more profit. Yeah, to get the more profit, you need to find different ways, different techniques, different venues to monetize your products.
What are your biggest sales channels outside of Amazon?
eBay?
One is eBay. The second is that we are working on, especially really is What's Not. Have you
What is
heard
it?
of What's Not?
Whatnot. Okay. And people are having success doing that?
Sorry?
People having success doing it on Whatnot?
Yes.
Okay. That's
Yes.
good to know.
Yes, like we opened one store just for Whatnot, and we hired a couple people. Now we are going to be opening another store, and then today we had like interviews with the other couple more people. So we are expanding that part also.
That'll be awesome. Let me know how that goes. All right, guys. Thanks so much for coming on the channel. If people have questions, can they reach out to you on Facebook? I know you're in the Facebook group. I forget which one I reached out. Was it the Go-To Lister Facebook group, or was it the
Feed the Beast?
Feed the Beast? Feed the Beast Facebook group. So if you guys are in the Feed the Beast, can they reach out to you, Sophia and Aaron? I know Sophia's the one with the Facebook account.
Oh, yeah.
I've seen you comment in there a few times. So if they have questions, they can reach out.
Yeah, and also like we are both attending to the Feed the Beast, like the
coaching calls.
Yeah.
You guys, if you want, we could do something on one of these Tuesdays, get you on for a Q&A and have you just.
Yeah, we are like joining the like meetings.
Yes, generally we are be quite like a listening position, but every week frequently, we are
there.
That's awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. And guys, remember, this is made possible by Go-To Lister, the fastest listing software on the planet. If you guys don't know what it is, it's a software that helps you get shipments out the door super fast, seamlessly. Check it out real quick.
Attention Amazon FBA booksellers. I used to hate listing books on Amazon because of how long it took, but Go-To Lister has fixed that. Go-To Lister allows me to scan, label, and ship 100 plus books per hour. It's the fastest listing software that exists for Amazon sellers. Listing fast allows me to spend more time finding profitable inventory rather than listing all day. One of the best things about Go-To Lister is our intelligent pricing feature that automatically prices your faster selling items at higher prices. Click the link below to give Go-To Lister a free trial for 14 days.